In this video, we are going to see that if your mouse sensitivity changes automatically in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, here's a quick fix for this. First of all, just open up the start menu and just right here, control panel, just open this up. And once we have this open, just make sure that on the right hand side, we are selected by the large icons view. Here we just see this mouse icon, just click on that. And in the pointer options tab, just go ahead and uncheck this enhance pointer precision. Click on apply and OK. And after that, just close out of here and just open up the start menu again, right here, CMD, just right click here again, learn as administrator, click on yes. Let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see the commands clearly. So let's paste it here. You can find this command with the description of this video. So just go ahead and enter this and it will start the troubleshooter hardware and devices. Let's click next. It's detecting the problems automatically. And after that, it will find a quick fix for you by installing and updating the driver. You can apply this fix. And then it recommends you to restart your PC. Let me just quickly restart this. Click on next. Device install settings, click on enable to automatically check the newest drivers for the updates. Now it's detecting the additional problems. And once we have done that, it says you must restart your computer. And that's a warning sign. That means it needs to be done. Windows update configured to the newer installed drivers. That is fixed. Did we fix your problem? Let's click on close out of here, and let's just quickly restart our PC to make this changes effective. And once that is done, let me just quickly log in. And after reopening or restarting, let's go to the start menu again and just right here, device manager. And after that, what you can do is just go to the mice area, and here, whatever is the mouse, you can just right click and uninstall the device and just simply restart the PC. What this will do is this will automatically update this to a new driver, because all the Windows, whether it's Windows 11, Windows 10, all have that capacity to update the drivers and detect them automatically. So that should be it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.